We've equipped our VWT4 long wheelbase high roof campervan to take us off the beaten track. So it has a slight suspension lift and tyres that are capable of taking us not only off-road but in mud and snow too. This means that we can explore the back roads of countries like Portugal and Spain and take in some of the off-road routes which are usually used by the 4x4 crowd. Some of these routes we've done in our Land Rovers in the past, and we know that we can take our T4 campervan on these roads quite safely. Here we're exploring the back roads of the Evora district along the Tagus River, which becomes the Embalse de Alqueva, a huge man-made lake, maybe even the largest in Europe. But it is a wonderful place to escape from the heat. You can drive down to its shores in various places. They really are set up very well to enjoy the riverside and lakeside locations around Portugal. I encourage you to explore. I encourage you to explore and take advantage of the access to the water that you can enjoy in Portugal. The wild swimming is wonderful. And there are praia fluviales, which are riverside beaches in Portuguese, where you can hang out for the day underneath parasols and enjoy a cool, refreshing swim, as well as some ice creams and cold drinks at the Chiringuitos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.